fish don't actually see the Great Barrier Reef boundaries on a map. So quite a few species that call the Great Barrier Reef home migrate to freshwater creeks just like this one. They migrate beyond the barriers of our marine park. The Reef Authority works in partnership with our local governments through the Reef Guardian Council program to manage issues that are beyond the marine park boundaries and actually occur in the catchment.
Mackay Regional Council is proud to be a Reef Guardian Council. It means that it shows the commitment of our community in our part of Queensland towards taking care of the natural environment. About 75% of the Great Barrier Reef catchment is covered by councils like ours. The actions we take here on land directly impacts and ensures a healthy Great Barrier Reef.
Freshwater ecosystems like this creek are critically important to the Great Barrier Reef because they are connected to the reef.
Right now, we are standing in front of the Jolimont Creek Fishway. The Jolimont Creek Fishway is adjacent to the coastline that is under the net-free fishing zone. This particular fishway runs into the Mackay Creek system, about 12 kilometers to the ocean, and supports the eco-health of the whole area. Thanks to funding by the Australian Government, with a co-contribution by Mackay Regional Council, we have delivered the longest rock ram fishway in Queensland and indeed Australia.
So in the Mackay Whitsunday region, we have approximately 55 freshwater fish species, and 60% of those are what we call diadromous. That means that they migrate between saltwater habitats and freshwater habitats to complete their life cycle. Our role was in the design and construction of the Jolimont Creek rock ramp fishway. The barrier in this case was a 3-metre high weir that was used for irrigation for sugarcane, and it was built approximately 50 years ago. The fishway is like a set of underwater stairs that helps the little fish, particularly the juvenile fish, rest on their journey upstream. Part of the construction process is going up to the quarry to individually choose the ridge rocks, which are approximately 1.2 metres tall, and the wall rocks up to 10 tonne and 1.5 metres tall, and collecting them at the quarry to make sure we've got the right shape and size. This wet season, we did 1 week of assessment monitoring by setting up a purpose-built cone entrance trap at the top of the fishway. We also set the trap up at the bottom of the fishway, and then we compare that to the top to ensure that all the size classes are making up the fishway to determine that it works. During that monitoring, we recorded 15 species and we caught 834 fish per day on average, and the median size of the fish was just 22 millimetres, so lots of really baby small fish.
For me, the Jolimont Fishway and the net-free zone has been a great advantage for our region. They create connectivity, and at the end of the day, it is completing the circle of life for fish. So I've enjoyed fishing in the Mackay region for probably close to 40 years. It's something that my husband and I love to do. Living in Mackay, it's just the best place to be for fishing. You've just got so many opportunities. When you live on the coast, if you don't have fishways, you don't have connectivity, and you don't have the fish stocks that you need.
At Council, we take pride in the fact that we plan and monitor the whole coastline. This particular fishway in the northern part of our catchment has a critical role to play in fish ecology health. The local benefits from this Jolimont Creek fishway is that it supplements the fish stock in the adjacent net-free zone. It's critical to realise that projects of this size requires cooperation and collaboration on funding sources. This particular project would not have happened without that collaboration. It was great working with the Great Barrier Reef Authority, and especially the Reef Guardian Council's program.
We are so excited to see this project come to fruition. It's a fantastic project that's really seeing tangible on-ground benefits for the Great Barrier Reef.